Look at this picture. What do you see? What do you see in the picture? I see a woman reading a book. Where she is? She is in the living room. What she is wearing? Well, she is wearing a red sweater. Where she is sitting? She is sitting on a sofa. What is she holding? She is holding a book. What color is the book? It is green. What is next to her? There is the pillow. What is next to the sofa? Well, there is a small table. What is on the table? There is a cup. What is in the cup? Well, there is a tea. What is next to the table? There is a lamp. Is the lamp on? Yes, it is on. Is there a window? Yes, there is a window. Alright, what is the outside the window? There are trees. What color are the curtains? They are blue. After that, what is on the wall? There is a picture. Is she wearing shoes? No, she is not. How many people are there? There is one person. Good job. All of you save this and practice. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Now picture 2. Look at this picture. What do you see? What do you see in the picture? I see a woman cooking breakfast. Where is she? She is in the kitchen. What is she wearing? She is wearing a blue shirt. What is on the stove? There is a frying pan. And what is in the pan? There is an egg. What color is the egg? The egg is white and yellow. What is she holding? She is holding a spatula. What color is the spatula? The spatula is black. What is on the counter? There is a toaster. How many pieces of bread are there? There are 2 pieces of bread. What color are the kitchen cabinets? The cabinets are light brown. What is on the wall? There is a shelf. What is on the shelf? There are spices. Is the window big or small? Well, it is a small window. How is the floor? The floor is tiled. What color is the woman's hair? She has brown hair. What is next to the toaster? There is a knife. What is the woman doing with her other hand? She is holding a plate. How many people are there? There is one person. What is the color of the plate? The plate is white. Great job. Everyone save this and come back to practice again. And follow for more simple English. And this is what you see. Next, what do you see in the picture? I can see a family spending a beautiful day outside. How many people are there in the picture? There are 5 people in the picture. Who are they? They are a man, a woman, and 3 children. Where are they? They are outside near a small house by a river. What is the man doing? The man is grilling fish on a barbecue. What is the woman doing? The woman is picking tomatoes from the vegetable garden. What can you see in the vegetable garden? I can see tomatoes, watermelons, and oranges. What are the children doing? The children are playing in the river. How many children are in the river? There are 3 children in the river. Where is the man sitting on? The man is sitting on a wooden stool. What is on the plate? There are some tomatoes on the plate. Well, what can you see behind the family? I can see a small house behind the family. What is the weather like in the picture? It is a sunny and warm day. What can you see in the sky? I can see sunlight coming through the trees. Does the family looks happy? Yes, they look relaxed and happy together. Great job. Now everyone save this and practice. Have a good day. Bye-bye.